I'm a champion, I'm a hero. I'm gonna ride till my tank is zero. I'm a hustler, I'm a gangster. I'm every fucking thing they told ya.
Or maybe I'm a knockoff, maybe I'm just a fraud. Maybe I ain't gon' never see the fucking face of God. Maybe I ain't no Spartan, maybe I ain't no king. But one thing I'ma tell you, I was fucking born to win. From me head to me toe, never ready for the war anyway you know. Any boy step to the dark, I go let up on the floor like a jungle. And me make me gun roar. Me not take this, me not take chat, me not take crap, me not take this, me not take back. Any boy try trip, I go drop, bust one straight, now fucking head back. I see they coming from afar. They got the guns and blades and they approaching my car. Oh, tonight they ain't leaving no scars. They come to leave me, they lay down at the boulevard. Oh, the difference between you and life is I came in this war and I can't be paid to die.
Oh, and you can see it in my eyes, see it in my
face, you can see it in my smile.
I'm a champion, I'm a hero. I'm gonna ride till my tank is zero. I'm a hustler, I'm a gangster. I'm